Imagine a wise old teacher walking into your life, carrying a heavy book of past deeds. He doesn't speak much, but his presence is enough to make you reflect. His job isn't to punish, but to discipline, to teach patience, and to ensure that you settle your past karmas. This is Saturn, the planet of justice, discipline, and karma. And when it begins its 7.5-year journey called Saraswati, or its 2.5-year trial called Dhaiya over certain zodiac signs, life changes dramatically. Many fear these phases, but the truth is, they are not meant to destroy you. They are designed to transform you. However, this transformation comes with tests, delays, obstacles, and emotional challenges. Let's break it down slowly and deeply so that even a beginner can grasp the meaning and significance of these planetary periods. The term Saraswati comes from Sanskrit, meaning 7.5 years. This period occurs when Saturn transits to the 12th house, 1st house, and 2nd house from your natal moon sign. Whenever Saturn enters the zodiac sign before your moon sign, your Saraswati officially starts. It lasts approximately for 7.5 years before ending when Saturn moves out of the sign next to your moon sign. Since Saturn is the slowest moving planet, taking about 2.5 years to transit one sign, its effects are deep and long-lasting. In Vedic astrology, the moon represents emotions, mind, and mental stability. Saturn's transit over the moon brings emotional challenges, delays, and personal transformation. Every 30 years, Saturn returns to test your growth. Let's see all the 3 phases of Saraswati, starting with the first phase. This is the first wave of Saturn's energy, setting the stage for Saraswati. The 12th house represents losses, isolation, foreign lands, subconscious fears, and hidden enemies. Saturn disconnects you from people and comforts. You may feel lonely, misunderstood, or isolated. Along with that, you will face anxiety, depression, and overthinking. Unexpected expenses may arise, such as medical bills, debts, or legal matters. Income may slow down, creating financial pressure. Saturn pushes you inward, encouraging meditation, yoga, or solitude. Many experience a strong desire for spiritual wisdom. Movement to foreign countries is common during this phase. Some may relocate for work or face visa issues. There are some common health issues in the first phase of Saraswati, such as sleep disorders and insomnia. You may face difficulty falling asleep, or you may wake up frequently at night. Overthinking and stress cause restless sleep and nightmares. Saturn's dry nature can lead to chronic fatigue and exhaustion. Here's a tip for you. Drink warm milk with nutmeg before bed, avoid screen time, and practice meditation. Moreover, you may also face anxiety, depression, and mental stress. Saturn affects the moon, leading to negative thoughts and emotional turmoil. Feeling lonely, isolated, and disconnected from loved ones is common in this phase. Unexplained fear, panic attacks, and overthinking about the future are also common. Here's a tip for you. Practice deep breathing exercises daily. Foot, knee, and leg pain is also a part of this. The 12th house rules feet, so Saturn here can cause swelling, pain, or injuries. Joint stiffness and knee pain, especially for older individuals, is very common. Slow healing of injuries, weak bones, or arthritis-like symptoms. Here's a tip for you. Regular oil massages with sesame or mustard oil can ease pain. Eye and vision problems are also a part of this. Saturn can weaken eyesight, blurry vision, dry eyes, or strain. Some may experience dark circles, irritation, or infections. Here's a tip for you. Blink exercises and eating vitamin A rich foods such as carrot and spinach can help. You may also face digestive issues and weak metabolism. Saturn slows down metabolism, leading to bloating, indigestion, or acidity. Some face constipation, while others may suffer from irritable bowel syndrome. Lack of appetite or sudden weight loss and gain are also part of this. Here's a tip for you. Eat light, fiber-rich meals and avoid processed and junk food. Moreover, you may also face hidden or chronic illnesses. The 12th house represents hospitals and hidden diseases. Saturn may reveal past illnesses. Chronic conditions like diabetes, thyroid, or autoimmune disorders may develop. Some experience low immunity, making them prone to infections. Here's a tip for you. Get regular health checkups and avoid alcohol and smoking. You will also face addictions and self-isolation. Emotional stress can lead to addiction to alcohol, smoking, or overeating. Some may withdraw from society, preferring isolation over socializing. Here's a tip for you. Engage in spiritual activities and maintain a healthy routine. The first phase of Saraswati prepares you for the next. You start detaching from materialistic desires. You realize who your true well-wishers are. Your mind becomes more disciplined for the toughest phase ahead. This is the hardest part of Saraswati because Saturn is directly sitting over your moon, affecting your mind, emotions, and personal life. Let's discuss the second phase. You will face mental and emotional struggles, intense mood swings, sadness, and feelings of helplessness. Lack of motivation and self-doubt become dominant. Insomnia or bad dreams may occur due to stress. You may also face challenges in personal and family life. There will be conflicts in relationships such as misunderstandings, breakups, or divorce. Loss of loved ones or separation from family. Marital life struggles will be dominant such as disagreements and emotional distance. There will be career setbacks and financial slowdowns, unexpected job loss, demotions, or delays in promotion. Business owners may face reduced profits, client loss, or legal troubles. Hard work brings slow rewards, causing frustration. You will also face health problems. Some common health issues in the second phase of Saraswati include extreme stress, anxiety, and depression. Saturn directly pressures the moon, leading to constant overthinking and mental fog. You may face feelings of sadness, fear, pessimism, and emotional instability. Panic attacks, sudden mood swings, or feeling disconnected from life is also a part of this. Here's a tip for you. Meditate daily and practice deep breathing. You will also face sleep disorders and chronic fatigue. Saturn's influence makes the mind restless, causing insomnia, nightmares, or disturbed sleep. You may feel tired even after sleeping for long hours. Saturn slows down energy levels. Some may experience chronic fatigue syndrome, making it hard to focus. Here's a tip for you. Drink warm milk with nutmeg before bedtime and avoid caffeine. You will also face migraine and frequent headaches. Since the moon rules the head and brain, Saturn's pressure can cause severe headaches or migraines. Tension headaches, dizziness, or brain fog may occur due to stress. Some may experience eye strain, sinus issues, or heaviness in the head. Here's a tip for you. Massage the forehead with coconut or sesame oil and stay hydrated. You will also face low immunity and weakness. Saturn's slow-moving nature affects body strength, leading to frequent colds, infections, or body aches. The immune system weakens, making it harder to recover from illnesses. Some may develop autoimmune disorders or skin allergies. Here's a tip for you. Eat fresh, warm meals and drink tulsi tea, meaning basil tea, and get regular exercise. You will also face heart and blood pressure issues. Stress and anxiety increase blood pressure, leading to hypertension or palpitations. Some may experience chest pain, irregular heartbeats, or shortness of breath. Emotional strain from Saturn's transit can impact heart health and circulation. Here's a tip for you. Avoid spicy, salty foods and practice breathing exercises. You will also face skin problems and premature aging. Saturn's dry and cold nature can cause dry skin, eczema, rashes, or hair loss. Some may experience wrinkles, dull skin, or premature graying of hair. Acne or pigmentation issues may arise due to stress hormones. Here's a tip for you. Apply coconut oil or aloe vera to keep skin hydrated. You will also face joint pain and bone weakness. Saturn governs bones and joints, so its pressures can cause arthritis, stiffness, or joint pain. Some may experience back pain, knee pain, or difficulty in movement. Deficiency of calcium and vitamin D may also occur. Here's a tip for you. Massage knees and joints with mustard oil and consume dairy and calcium-rich foods. You will also face digestive issues and weight fluctuations. Slow metabolism leads to bloating, constipation, gas, or acidity. Some may lose or gain weight suddenly due to stress eating or lack of appetite. Saturn's energy can also affect liver health, leading to sluggish digestion. Here's a tip for you. Eat light, home-cooked meals and avoid processed foods. This phase removes illusions and makes you stronger mentally. You learn patience, control over emotions, and how to survive challenges. After the storm, you start to rebuild yourself with a new mindset. The third phase is the final phase of Saraswati, where Saturn shifts its focus to finances, family, and speech. Effects of this phase include financial struggles, income is unstable, and expenses remain high. Investment losses or financial frauds can occur easily. Many struggle to clear debts built up from the previous phases. You will also face family tensions, conflicts over money, property, or inheritance. Saturn creates misunderstandings in family communication. Distance from close relatives due to ego clashes or financial matters is possible. You will also face transformation in speech and communication. Saturn controls the second house, which is of speech, making words harsh or bitter. Speaking without thinking can damage relationships. Lessons in humility, diplomacy, and wise speech arise. You are going to face some health issues in the third phase of Saraswati, such as throat and speech problems. Dry throat, infections, tonsillitis, or difficulty in speaking is common. Some may develop stammering, hoarseness, or chronic cough. Speech may become harsh or slow, reflecting Saturn's serious nature. Here's a tip for you. Gargle with warm salt water daily. You will also face dental and gum issues. Tooth decay, cavities, sensitivity, or gum diseases. Weak enamel or painful extractions and dental surgeries are common. Saturn rules bones and teeth, so problems arise here. Here's a tip for you. Brush with Ayurvedic tooth powders such as neem, clove, or babool. Eye strain and vision problems will also occur. Weak eyesight, blurred vision, eye infections, or dryness. Dark circles and puffiness due to stress and sleep deprivation will occur. Increased sensitivity to light or prolonged screen exposure issues are possible. Here's a tip for you. Eat carrots, almonds, and ghee to strengthen vision. You will also face issues related to digestion and metabolism. Slow digestion leads to constipation, bloating, or acidity. Some experience gastric ulcers, liver weakness, or weight fluctuations. Lack of appetite or emotional eating due to stress may occur. Here's a tip for you. Drink warm water with lemon daily and avoid processed foods. You will also face issues related to skin and premature aging. Dry, dull, or aging skin, wrinkles, and pigmentation is common. Eczema, rashes, or allergies triggered by stress will also occur. Hair thinning, premature graying, or dandruff is also possible. Here's a tip for you. Apply coconut oil and aloe vera to nourish skin and hair. You will also face issues related to joint and bone weaknesses. Lower back pain, knee pain, or arthritis-like symptoms will occur. Weak bones due to calcium and vitamin D deficiency are possible. Fractures or slow healing of injuries will occur. Here's a tip for you. Consume sesame seeds, dairy, and take vitamin D supplements. Depression, overthinking, and emotional stress will occur. Financial or family stress can lead to anxiety and emotional burnout. Feeling unappreciated, lonely, or burdened with responsibilities. Some experience trust issues, family conflicts, or lack of motivation. Here's a tip for you. Meditate for emotional stability. Though this final phase still presents challenges, relief is near as Saturn prepares to leave Saraswati. The struggles shape you into a stronger, wiser, mature, and more disciplined person. Now, gradual relief will begin. Your career will start improving slowly, mental strength and spiritual wisdom will also increase. Now let's talk about Dhaya. Unlike Saraswati, which affects 3 consecutive houses, Dhaya is a shorter 2.5-year Saturn trial but equally powerful transit, where Saturn tests specific areas of life. Dhaya occurs when Saturn transits the 4th house from moon sign to the 8th house from moon sign. Now let's see Dhaya in the 4th house. You will face frequent disagreements with parents and instability at home. There will be no major progress and there will be delays in promotions. You will face mental stress such as emotional exhaustion and feeling stuck in life. There will be vehicle and property issues as well, such as losses in property dealings, car accidents, or repairs. Here's a tip for you. Saturn teaches detachment from material comforts and self-reliance. Now let's see Dhaya in the 8th house. There will be unexpected events, breakups, job loss, or relocations. You will face health concerns such as chronic illnesses, unknown health issues, and surgeries. Loss of investments or unexpected expenses will occur. You will have a deep interest in astrology, meditation, and mysticism. Here's a tip for you. Learning to trust the universe and embrace change will be beneficial for you. Here are some remedies to reduce Saraswati and Dhaiya effects. Donate black sesame, mustard oil, and clothes on Saturdays. Feed crows, black dogs, and help the needy. Donate black clothes as it helps reduce Saturn's effects on personal life. Donate mustard oil and black sesame seeds as it removes financial and career obstacles. Donate iron and black gram, also known as urad dal, as it strengthens Saturn's positive influence. Donate footwear for the needy as it reduces hardships in career and relationships. What is the best time to donate? Every Saturday before sunset. Donate to a poor people or old age homes. Why does this work? Saturn governs iron, black sesame, oil, and the poor. Helping these aspects pleases Saturn and reduces its harsh lessons. Wear Saturn's gemstone, blue sapphire, also known as Neelam, only after testing. It is the fastest working remedy. It can give instant relief or strong negative effects, so it must be tested before wearing. How to test blue sapphire? Wrap a small blue sapphire in a silver cloth. Keep it under your pillow on Friday night. If you experience good sleep and positive dreams, it is suitable. If you see bad dreams or feel discomfort, avoid wearing it. Saraswati and Dhaiya are not meant to destroy you. They transform you into a stronger, wiser, and more disciplined person. Are you experiencing Saraswati or Dhaiya? Share your date of birth and I'll guide you with personalized insights and remedies. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about the Saraswati, Dhaiya, and remedies. Remember, Saturn's energy may challenge you, but it also brings great wisdom, growth, and long-term stability. Keep your faith strong, follow the remedies, and trust the process. I hope this video has helped you understand and navigate through Saturn's tough yet transformative journey. I'm astrologer N. Baksh, and you've been watching Sitaru Ka Safar, your trusted companion on the cosmic road. If you're facing personal issues and need a detailed consultation, feel free to reach out to me. You can get in touch for an appointment through the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on astrology, remedies, and cosmic guidance. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so leave a comment below. Your feedback means the world to me. Until next time, stay blessed, stay grounded, and may the stars always guide your way. See you on the next episode of Sitaru Ka Safar.